Good morning, eighth graders. I would just like to let you know what we're doing this week. I plan on making one of these videos at the on the first day of every week, maybe more often if we need them. So, just in case you miss a Zoom, you'll know what's going on. This week, we are continuing our work on the 13 colonies, and you will be doing something called a web quest. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And where I'm going to be when I'm showing you all of this is on our Google Classroom. So here's our stream page, and you will see that we have a couple of assignments that are due on Friday. One of them, most of you have turned in already. This is the 13 English colonies chart that we were working on last week. I plan on starting the class today by going over the important points and helping you edit that if you need to, and then you can submit it. And then the next assignment is one that will take the rest of this week to do. It's a fairly long document, but we're going to break it up into smaller parts, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So all of our assignments, remember, the directions for those, the materials for those are under classwork. And so if you go to classwork, we're in this 13 English colonies unit. And I did some revision, and so this looks weird because it's hashtag 001. This was the chart we made last week. And then we have 003, which is the assignment that we're working on today and tomorrow and Thursday. And so I hopefully will be able to get in there and edit it without having to redo a bunch of work. If I can, I will. If not, we'll just know that we're not going to be worried about 002. All right. So let me open this for you, and you can see what it is. So in this assignment last week, we had all of these resources for you to use to do the assignment. And this week, the resources are built right within the assignment. It's got embedded links. So let me show you what that looks like. It's going to take just a minute to open. And what we'll be doing is you will be like actively learning as you're going through. Our class will start. Today we'll go over the chart from last week, but then on tomorrow and Thursday, I'm going to do a mini lesson, start off, and then you will have the rest of the time to work. So when you open this, each one of you has your own copy, and each of the blue words or phrases is a link, and it will take you to a piece of information that will be helpful. So you're first going to read this overview and look at the different links. And then here are some essential questions. You do not have to write out the answers to those. Those will be questions that we will discuss at the end of this unit. And we're going to start off with some vocabulary. So for this, you'll be doing some research. There aren't links for this. Joint stock company. You will look that up in here in your own words. Guys, a few of you, even though it didn't really answer the question, just copied and pasted information in our chart from last week. It's really apparent when you do that. It looks completely different than if you had followed the directions. So I'm going to ask you to look up joint stock company, write it, just type it out in your own words, all right? And do that for these vocabulary terms. And that will take you quite a bit of time. This might be the only one that you get done today. But next we have this geography of the American colonies, and you can look at this map that I've given you to answer the questions. And then this chart is about the people who lived during the colonies. So colonial times, lived in the colonies. And so we have three Native Americans or American Indians, and each person has a link. So Pocahontas is an important person who lived during the colonies. And if you open this up, you'll see that you'll have a biography. It comes from the site biography.com. and it gives you all the information that you are going to need to know to fill in this part about Pocahontas. So you would type Pocahontas, what region she's from, and her contributions, and you'll do that with all 9 of those people. And anyway, as you go along, you will see different things to do. So next, there'll be a timeline of the American colonies. And if you click on these terms again, it will help you find the information. Now, please do not copy and just paste. Think about what the impact is and type it in your own words, right? So make sure that you are following the directions. So this is a long assignment here, and it's for 3 days. So probably no more work than what we've done so far. Just it was easiest for me to post it all in one packet. Digital packet, I guess, rather than break it up into small pieces. And so then it's always there, easier to find. So this is what we will be doing this week, working on different assignments. And I will, of course, give you more help daily, but just wanted everyone to know what this week will look like. And then on Friday, we are going to do our big review of the colonies by playing Kahoot. And I'll show you how to do that. And that should be a fun review activity for Friday. All right, I'm excited for this week, excited to work with you, and I will see you during our Zoom meetings.